Today I'm going to teach you how to customize the toolbar in Affinity Designer. This is a really useful feature that allows you to tailor your workspace exactly to your needs, making your most used tools easily accessible and improving your overall workflow efficiency. First, you'll need to launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, go ahead and open your existing file or create a new file to get started. Now direct your attention to the bottom left sidebar of your screen. You'll notice an icon that looks like three dotted lines. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your workspace. From the menu that appears, click on Toolbar. This will open up the Toolbar customization panel where you can see all the available tools and options that Affinity Designer has to offer. Here's where the real magic happens. Navigate through the toolbar options to find the specific toolbar you want to customize. Affinity Designer gives you quite a bit of flexibility here, so take a moment to explore what's available. Once you've identified the toolbar you want to work with, simply click and drag it to the top of your workspace. This drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to reorganize your tools. As you drag the toolbar, you'll see it move in real time, allowing you to position it exactly where you want it. This immediate visual feedback helps ensure you're placing everything just right. The beauty of this customization is that you can arrange your workspace to match how you actually work. If you use certain tools more frequently than others, having them right at the top means less time searching and more time creating. And there you have it. Your toolbar is now customized to fit your specific needs in Affinity Designer. You've successfully rearranged your workspace to make it more efficient and personalized to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.